Soso. Today I'm making slime and my special guest is my cousin. So it is white glue versus clear glue. Oh, and our ingredients is white glue, clear glue, baking soda, activator, and glitter. Let's get started. I'm gonna open the top. Whoa. Sorry. Oh, yes. Let's see if we can. Wow. This is easy. I think yours is hard, that's right. Yeah. Mine is hard to get out. Want me to get out? Ooh. Yeah. Yours is easier.
So you do mine while I do yours.
Okay. Here, hold mine. Okay, I'll switch with you, and I'll take out yours and you squish out mine.
Oh, this is hard.
Oh.
This is sorry.
And guys, do you remember this slime that we made last time?
No, you did.
Comment down below if you remember. Get a little.
Can you take the thing off? I'm working on yours.
Let me open the second one for you.
I think that's all of it for this one.
All of it?
Just get it out.
Hey guys, so we're done pouring our glue. So now we're gonna add in some baking soda. Thank you. And after we're gonna start mixing.
Is this enough?
Add a little bit more.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough. You don't want it to get too big with soda.
Look at my Soso. Do you like mine? It looks like a neon green.
Yeah. That's what happened
Do you
to
think
mine.
mine looks like a neon green?
Comment down below.
If mine looks like a
Okay,
neon green.
now it's time to add the food coloring and the glitter.
I'll start with blue.
I'm going to start with red. 2 drops. We're making purple. Okay, let's start mixing. I'm going to start mixing because she's not ready yet. So
I am.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Oh! You should see mine. Mine looks so pretty.
Whoa! Yours is turning out good.
Better than yours?
No, mine is like a light one.
Mine's like a dark. I'm gonna put some more blue.
I'll probably put more of every color.
You want me to pour some more blue?
Yeah, I'll do it.
How much?
Let's do one.
I'll just do 1 red, 1 blue.
I'm doing 1 red, 1 blue.
Spoon!
Ha! Oh, mine turned into like a purplish pinkish.
Wow, I love this one.
Let me see. Maybe we could trade. We could actually trade, guys. Maybe we could trade. Oh, makes that really good. Look at mine.
So light. You don't understand mine.
Yours is like a dark.
Yours makes... Oh, now I just remembered. White makes it clear. White makes it lighter. I just remembered that.
Oh.
And clear makes it do nothing. Makes it go darker. Because clear is just...
I see some bubbles in yours. Okay, so now we're gonna add the glitter. Woo! I'm starting mixing too.
Oh, look at mine.
Whoa, that's cool.
No, I love it. See? Auntie Sharon, can we use one more color for our slime? I will take red.
I will take that. And I'm probably going to add a little bit of red too.
I'm going to probably add a little bit of that color too.
I'm trying to not add all of it.
That's
okay. That's enough.
True.
Wow. Okay. I'm going to add all of this. It looks like a cool tone, right?
Okay, mixing.
Oh my god!
Look, subscribe if you like mine.
And subscribe if you like mine!
Oh my god! Who do you like better, Soso?
I like yours.
And I like... Oh, I've seen that slime before in a YouTube video. Subscribe if you've seen this slime before.
I want to trade it yours.
I just asked for clear. If the next time, if I'm in one of your vlogs and you make slime, I think you should have one clear. I should have one blue, one white.
Whoa.
Yeah, so one clear for you, one
and
I don't have any more. Can I use the rest of this?
Yeah. It's probably not a lot, but
I don't really need a lot.
whoa, I'm gonna add activator now.
I wanna add activator too. Oh wait. Is that all you need?
Yeah. Until it starts getting activated. You don't want to add a lot because we have to share.
And there's not much anyways, right?
Okay, I need more. This
Mine
is
is starting to look like bubblegum.
that looks like glittery bubblegum.
Mine looks like I put glitter in this bubblegum and I'm about to eat it. But you cannot eat this bubblegum.
Yeah. Maybe for our next video we should make like edible slime.
Oh, I think we should make like gummy bear slime.
Yeah, and like other ones. Oh, that's gonna be super cool.
Look at my bubblegum. Bubblegum.
Wow, mine is not really turning.
Feel mine. It's not sticky.
I don't want to touch it. I want to touch it until the end. Wow, mine is getting really activated now.
Wow, mine's not even sticky.
And a little bit activated.
Yeah, me too. Wait, I don't need any.
No,
No, I said I don't need.
okay.
Oh, it's not that sticky. Wait, do we have to mix it and then our hands will be all sticky?
Yeah, and then we have to wash them. Okay? And
Right,
our slimes are perfect.
It's almost ready.
Yeah,
I'm
so we're going to
serious.
take it out.
So I'm going to take mine out.
Woo.
Oh my god.
Oh, I like
Hallelujah. Oh, mine is not sticky. Well, mine turned out perfect. See my hands? It's not that sticky. Hallelujah.
Oh my gosh, mine is...
I have more. I have a lot more slime.
Mine is turning out very good. I could bring this to school.
I know, mine too, but I don't want anybody touching it.
Yeah,
We're
that's
messing
fine.
it up. Oh my god.
What, like,
So pretty.
look.
So how do you think mine is?
So I
love
like
mine.
yours.
I have a lot.
Yeah, yours is like
It's the best.
so
Pretty.
cool. But mine, look, like it doesn't even stick to my hand.
Mine either.
Like,
I-
it's like,
So,
this is
do you
so
think we could
good.
make a bubble on the
I don't
sheet?
think, because it probably sticks and I don't want to.
Mine's not
But
sticky.
mine, I want to. Ew!
You
What?
feel yours.
How much sticky? Oh, don't give me your stickiness.
Really simple.
Exactly! It gets
Obviously, we're touching it.
No, it's because you were touching it, and mine is a better texture. Comment down below who's your favorite, mine
or mine. Mine.
What is that anyways? It's like watery slime.
I know.
How much activator did you put in it?
Anti-shampoo.
This is super good. It doesn't even stick to my hands. Like basically, this is fluffy kind of. We didn't put any shaving cream.
I wish we had shaving cream.
We actually do, but we didn't use it that time.
Can we use it in the next type?
Yeah. Woo! And I can't wait for next year. I can't wait to make edible slime.
Oh yeah, I forgot. And half of it, we could try.
We could eat some. I want to eat all of it. Basically.
I want to try mine. I've seen it in a YouTube video before.
Yeah.
You guys want to see it? I have to ask my mom to send it to you.
Yeah.
Or ask Auntie Sham. I have it. It's so cool.
Yeah.
You want to see it, Soso?
Yeah. It's gonna be like
two boys.
Okay, guys. So
it looks so better.
Yeah.
My aunt just fixed it up a little.
Yeah.
She squeezed most of the activator.
Yeah, because there was a lot of activator.
And my hands were so wet. And I didn't even like that at all. I hope you guys love my slime and my cousin Soleine.
So, do you like either this slime,
or
that slime? This one should look really good. Wow, that's
if you guys come to her house, you guys could feel my slime and her slime.
Wow. Okay, guys. So thanks for my cousin Jazzy for doing my video with me. So thanks for watching. Give us a huge thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Turn notifications on. Thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.